Miren compas, pesca, 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 compas, pesca. Miren compitas. That's a big splitter. Miren nomás, compitas, miren nomás. Ese es el pescadito. Ah, ¿cómo la ven de ahí? Ay, ¿cómo la ven? ¿Cómo la ven? ¿Cómo la ven? ¿Ah? Tranquilo, tranquilo, miren nomás, miren nomás. Ah, qué chulada de animal. Qué chulada de pescado. Fish on, coming out, babies. Go, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on right here, guys. Fish on, fish on. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, pesca, mi primo. Pesca, pesca, compitas. Pesca, pesca, compas. Look at that, compas. Pesca, pesca, compa, compa. Pesca, pesca, pesca. Fish on, mi primo, fish on. Compita, fish on, fish on, fish on, primo. Miren nomás, compas, miren nomás. Ah, ahí está el pescadito. Oh, la, baby. Hey, what's up? Good morning, guys. This is Jose Reyano, Viajeros Sin Fronteras. I hope you had an amazing fishing day. Today, I'm in Sacramento, Discovery Park, and the other side. And right here, hey, I hope you had an amazing fishing day, like me. Today, this is what I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I came for today. Venga, compa, a esto fue a lo que yo vine, miren. Ah, cómo la ven de ahí, compitas. Ah, this is it. This is what I came for, man. You see, my big fish right now. I've been here for 2 hours and looking at the water. I've been enjoying this. This is my place. Hey, I invite you guys to come and get it. It's a lot of water. Bring some rubber boots and get some fish and get some night crawlers and come and get these fish, baby. There's so many, okay? So many. Okie dokie, guys. This is, hey, beautiful fish. Can't complain. La, chiquito. Aquí está. Right here, compas. Huh? Beautiful. 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 Okay. Nice. Hey, you guys know me. I'm always catch something. And when I don't catch it, I go buy it. Oopsie. This is my fish. My first one in the morning. Okay, it's not the last one, but the first one. Got it. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe and give it a like. Thumbs up. Hey, for those guys that are new, please activate your bell so you guys not gonna miss any video. Hey, share these videos, man. Share with Instagram, share in Facebook, share in TikTok. It's okay. Okay, share with your friends. Okay, make these videos viral. Ok, compartan estos videos con todas las plataformas. Ahí estamos, compitas. Bear with me. Bueno, compas. All right, my friends. This is it. This is the catch of today. Beautiful, beautiful split tail. Nice, big, 20 inches. Nice. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna put it back in the water. I'm not gonna take this one. He's gonna be safe, okay, guys. So I'm gonna release this fish so he can go and lay some eggs, okay, para que ponga sus huevos, okay, porque es hembra, it's a female, okay, and I'm gonna put it back in the water so it's gonna be released. because that's the way I am. Sometimes I'm a good man. So I'm putting back this fish in the water. And that's awesome. It's awesome fish. Okay, guys, look at it. Beautiful, awesome fish. Okay. Have a wonderful day and go back to your family, okay? God has been blessing you and He's gonna give you more life. Amen. Okay, there you go, guys. Yes. Y con esta pesca me despido. I am saying goodbye with this fish. Okay, this is all what I get today. It's been awesome morning. I can't believe it. You guys can see the river, plenty of water right now. No stripers yet, but I come back tomorrow. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. I mean, you know. So you guys continue having a good time watching my videos. Thank you very much. El Viajero Sin Fronteras.